with all the exchange instability lately, what two exchanges are you using, or what two exchanges would you recommend using as you get back into a bull market? So this is interesting. I'm not plugging any particular exchange here at all, but I just say openly what I do use, and I use Coinbase One. It's zero trading fees. They still get you on the spreads between assets, but if you time it right, you can find a way to eliminate that. They give you the first 30 days free, and then it's $29.99 a month. But if you're, if you're moving a large amount of money, the $30 of fees, etc., doesn't make a big difference in commission. But if you're using small amounts, it can destroy your day. So be careful of that. If you are an active trader, it doesn't take a long time to eat that $30. Now let's look at decentralized exchanges. And you asked for two. I only use one right now. There's nothing else I use. Back in the day, I had different accounts, but now I'm, like with equities, I tried to limit it as we go forward. And I'm hoping for a better exchange than Coinbase one day too. But the DEXs, I do use Uniswap and I use Radium most of the time. I also use some other trading platforms too that I'm just testing out to get a feel for how good they are. Now, when you do this, you have to watch for spreads and you have to watch for wrapped products. I always say get the pure form. But in Uniswap, you'll see here the rate of exchange of how many SOL you need for 1 ETH, 70.44, which is high. But on Radium, you can get wrapped ETH for a lot less. And again, if you look at the spreads, another drill down to the spreads here, you can see on the left is Uniswap. No, the left is TradingView actual price, 69.11. That is the number of SOL you have per every ETH. And if you swap on Radium, for example, it can be 70.44 needed for every ETH. So be careful out there on the spreads, because it can cost you quite a substantial amount, like 3, 4, even 5% of the actual trading amount as well as you go forward. So time it carefully, snipe it carefully. Only use limit orders too.